What's cracking? What's cracking? We back up in this joint. Oh man, the window definitely sounds better. It used to be really bad. And I don't hear the noise in the back anymore. I think I fixed it, guys. I mean, I still hear it a little bit, but it's not as bad. Before, that thing just sounded like it was gonna fall through the door. But yeah, we about to pull up right now, Best Tire Shop. Ooh. Here it is. Damn rain messed my shit up. Still look clean though. Always looks super good on here. Yeah, I need to clean my toenail, dog. Oh hell no, this is unacceptable. It's unacceptable. Shit made me effing my rim up. Hey, look how good that wheel looks. Yay. These are the arms that I just took off. They're really cool. I mean, they have the poly built-in bushings, everything. But this is where the problem was happening. There's an OEM like cone bushing that goes in right there. It doesn't fit in here like OEM. It wasn't allowing us to tighten it. So yeah, these are a no-go. So if you see these kind of arms, I would not recommend them. They're probably gonna have issues because Joey put them on his and he had like the same problem. So.
Several days later.
Top of the morning, here you know, bam. Hit you guys with that young shoe cam. We got the cool gray 11s on today. Hands down, one of my favorite shoes. Clearly, if you guys didn't know, one of my favorite colors is gray. That explains why I love Nardo so much. And look at this. I guess she was ready for me to get in. Door was just already open. Nah, I just came in here right now. Fresh wash. Oof, look at the carbon. Nice. Very nice windshield. New windshield is ordered. It's been like 3 days already. Obviously it was a special order, so once it comes in, then I'm gonna go have the windshield put in. So just waiting for it. Thank God for insurance, man, because this windshield is $1,500. Cool thing about the car being warm already. Starts right up. We got another beautiful day here. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. A little bit sleepy, but blessed, alive. Clean shoes, clean underwear, money to eat. Couldn't be a better day. So I'm gonna be linking up with one of my boys. We're gonna be cooking up some heat today. He does most of the videos for my boy Fora. It's like all of his music videos and stuff. So we definitely gotta come with some fire today. Hopefully it doesn't rain, bro, because I just washed this car this morning. I'm gonna be pissed. So stay tuned. I don't know who was in the SS that kept antagonizing me. I was like, bro, I'm not gonna race you. Like, I'm not gonna race you. But he kept antagonizing me, bro, so I gapped the shit out of him. Like, damn, it was bad, bro. Like, it took him a cool 30 seconds to catch up after I braked. If you're at a Mazda ZL1, you know what I'm saying, we can get a good run, but oh man, like the stockish SS. Leave me alone, bro. My man got sent back to the dealership to get a ZL1. That was not good. Alright, we here at the young In-N-Out Booger. I don't know if this fool's pulling up in his M3. I don't know what he's pulling up in. But my boy late. I was here at 11. This boy late as hell. Gotcha. Got the paparazzi. He's like, oh shit. Your car is Nardo too. Sick. This fool. Alright, man, we out here. We've already been filming for like an hour. I just haven't recorded nothing. Sorry. God damn. This is gonna be fire. Getting some drone shots. You just threw the cam on the gimbal right now. It's gonna be in the vert off the back of that joint. It's gonna be interesting. Doing the drone shots. Not getting too crazy. Ah, motherfucker is starting to sprinkle. Barely hear you. So yeah, we're doing the drone shots right now. I don't know if he wants me to go faster or not. I can't hear him. Obviously, I can't see the drone. Them JRZs, boy. Now you're ruining the shot, G. Do you want me to keep going or turn around? If the walkie's at a distance or not. Let's stop right here. Bro, I think I just scraped my side skirt. I hope not. I'm gonna cry. It's good. Alright, it's good. Yo, can you hear me? Yellow.
Yeah, come back full speed.
Alright. You heard the man. It's getting cold and like a little bit sprinkling a little bit, so gotta chill out. Ah, fuck. Damn, somebody went off right there. That is not good. That's death, bro. That's 500-foot drop. Sheesh. Don't want to be that guy. high up though. He's getting like a high shot, which is sick. I ain't tripping, I'm having fun. Bro, look at that. Straight shot, bro, you're dead. That's insane. Sprinkling's not good. It's messing up our shoot. It starts raining, we're done. This car handles so good, guys. You don't even know. I'm pretty sure you can tell. It's like, I'm not even pushing it that hard. Oh, little jump right there. Biker. Excuse me. Range or yo, keep going or alright, I think I'm just turn around. I think I might be out of range. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh, my head itches. Ow, ow, ow. Man, just washed the whip today. Damn, look, you see LA. Sick. Traction on just in case. Not taking no chances with these RAAAs, bro. I hit a corner earlier and I literally like drifted that shit unexpectedly, and it wasn't even wet. The tires were just cold. I take precautions, you know. Don't want to be dead cakes. That won't be fun. Got cut a little short because of the rain. We were supposed to do some audio and some more interior shots and stuff, but the rain washed us away. And my car got dirty. I just washed it this morning and it rained just enough to make the car dirty, so that's nice. Like always, man, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. I definitely have more content coming. No game on that. Got the guache over here, fool. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. I'm out.